Over the past 30 years, China has become the manufacturing capital of the world. And going forward, I believe that China will remain as a global manufacturing center because of the speed of digital transformation here. China is building a solid digital infrastructure to allow more businesses to be more competitive in this digital area. Xunxi Digital is Alibaba's way of showing China and the world how to improve the manufacturing sector in the digital area. By using data, manufacturers can reduce uncertainty and make better decisions in all stages of the supply chain. Our main customers are small and medium-sized businesses. They are very dynamic. They have good creativity, fashion capture, connection with fans. However, the supply chain is very complicated. By using data and technology, we can lower the barrier for SMEs. Through the insight of consumers and digital upgrading of manufacturing industry, it allows business operators to better predict what the consumers want. Therefore, they can speed up the R&D process and shorten the product cycle. This is the secret sauce to staying ahead of the curve. This model is lifeline for the traditional factory operators who are struggling to compete. With Xunxi, they can upgrade their operations. It starts with Xunxi, then a network of factories, then eventually the whole manufacturing sector will be upgraded. We all know that Double 11 is the biggest event of the year for Alibaba. Traditionally, to get ready for Double 11, the sellers have to prepare the inventory months in advance. The seller would rely on past sales records to prepare the inventory. This guessing game can be very costly. This year, we are turning the old formula around. And the new manufacturing, Xunxi can help them to forecast what would be top-selling items. In this way, they have a more precise knowledge about what to prepare and how much to prepare. Normally, the SMEs has 19 days to get everything ready, but with our AI-powered data insight and flexible manufacturing, they can decide what and how much to produce just 2 weeks before Double 11. For the SMEs who will participate in Double 11, they just need to focus on what to sell rather than how to stock. This level of flexibility is a clear demonstration why new manufacturing can be a major boost for SMEs during Double 11.